First, let us consider the flat trajectory weapon. A man under fire of a flat trajectory weapon, such as a rifle, hears three distinct sounds when the piece is fired. The first thing he hears is the sound of the bullet in flight. Second, he hears the sound of the bullet as it strikes the ground. Third, he hears the actual report of discharge of the piece. He hears the sound of the bullet in flight and the sound of the bullet striking before he hears the report of discharge, because the bullet travels faster than the sound of the explosion. For instance, a bullet from a rifle travels about 2,700 feet per second, while the sound made by the discharge of the rifle travels only 1,100 feet per second. Therefore, we hear the bullet in flight and the strike of the bullet before we hear the report of the piece. It is important that every soldier know this and be able to recognize the report of discharge, for it is by this means that he determines the direction and location of the enemy piece. In listening to the fire of the various weapons shown in this picture, you should try to fix the characteristic sound of each weapon in your mind, and also learn to distinguish between the sound of the projectile in flight and the report of discharge.